island itself is measured 7 km length with a 4 and are divided into 2 villages. As the first village where you can see the beach is known as Singwiro, and at the far end where there's a town is Mumba village. The island itself, it has a population living within 3,500. 99% are Muslim and 1% are Christians. So as a result of this, I can say for the fellow Muslims, we are proud. We have a plenty of mosques in Wasini Island, but suddenly enough for Christians, we have not even a single church. So for the fellow Christians, on the day prayers, they have to cross to mainland for the day prayers. And the Christians are the one who move from the mainland to island to do their own business, like in selling vegetables for snow farming in Wasini Island. The island is a rock island. So for the source of income, the islanders do depend on fishing and tourism. We have a fisherman and a fisherwoman too in Wasini Island. What you can see about this is a reef. So normally women of Wasini walking along the reef with a chopstick. Example, can see some over there. With a chopstick, stinging octopus, collecting shells for decoration. Where the men are using a mangrove canoe to start that paddling and have a swim with So this is a kind of activity. So guys, from here we are going to have a ride of 1 hour drive to Kisite Marine National Park. So as far as we are heading to Tanzania, is where Kisite Marine National Park is. So Kisite is where we are going to stop our boat for snorkeling, and the snorkeling is dependent on how more lake you spend. 1 hour, 2 hours, 1 minute is up to you. Because we are in a holiday, everything is fully around. So after snorkeling, then we come to the same boat, and we ride the boat now to Bumba village for Nyam Nyam. Nyam Nyam is a famous Swahili lunch. So what they serve at the restaurant is a fresh seafood from the sea to the restaurant, and this is fish. Fish is depend on a catchment of the day. This can be the snapper, white snapper, or tuna fish. Alternative with chicken and a vegetable. So between fish, chicken, or vegetable, we have to choose one among these. As this is in one package, we have already paid for. And this is served with Swahili dishes, coconut rice, cassava, and chapati. So for the coconut sauce, cassava, and chapati, it will be your self-service. You are going to serve yourself according to your hand wish. But for the fish, chicken, and a vegetable, we have to pay for. So at the same time, at the restaurant, they serve an extra charges fee. If you wish to have taste or to enjoy the day with it, then you have to add some money, because this is not in a package. This costs extra payment for it. And this is a fresh from the sea. This is lobster, calamari, octopus, and prawns. Maybe if you wish to have all a portion for the whole seafood, then they are going to serve it as a platter. a bag, swimming gear, towel, you carry anything belong to you, especially your wonderful memories. To sum up, nearly to our lucky captain here, there's a small team to go. So anyone is she or he, we like to appreciate the team for our service. You are said you are most welcome, and I wish you a safe journey back to your hotels. And I wish you a nice holiday wherever you are, Masai Mara, Tavo, wherever you are in Kenya. Bye bye to each one, guys. See you tomorrow. We are highly welcome. Bye bye.
Bye.